Right now, we're in the height of summer, so your watering, feeding, and spraying are all really important. And with gardening, it pays to be one step ahead. So this month is a time to think about winter planting. Get your winter veggie seeds in, like cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, leeks, and beetroot. Or your winter flower seedlings, like pansies, violas, primula, or poppies. Spring onion, silver beet, leek, and spinach seedlings are also ready to plant. And it's never too hot to plant your tropicals. Try Viraya rhododendron for a vibrant shrub, great for an urban garden. Hopefully, your fruit and veggies are giving you daily produce. But here's a few easy things you can do to help get the most from your plants. Pick your crop often to encourage continuous fruiting. Check your tomato stakes as the vine gets heavier, and remove leaves that are shading the fruit to help them ripen. Use seaweed tonic every couple of weeks on fast-growing crops, like pumpkins and melons. For bigger potatoes, keep piling soil over your rows. Cover fruit trees and berry plants with netting to keep the birds away. If you're worried about pests, use an environmentally friendly spray around your veggies, and spray late in the day when the bees have gone home. Once you've picked the last of your fruit, give the fruit trees a bit of a prune. Yellowing leaves on citrus trees, gardenias, and daphne could be a magnesium deficiency. A teaspoon of Epsom salts should sort it. If you have fuchsias, take cuttings now before the plants harden up. And finally, water the garden early in the morning or later at night, not in the heat of the day. Check your irrigation systems are operating, but mind any local drought restrictions. While it seems crazy to be thinking about winter planting in February, give it some thought. It's the best time to do it.